Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
My name is Siddhi Gunpal, roll number 4, division C. My group member's name is Aditi Parth Rohit. Hello everyone, this is BBL activity number 4. Prepare a visit report to observe a use of a pneumatic system used by a dentist. This activity is possible to under guidance of Professor Shrikant Kulkarni and Professor Vidyesh Sakpal. Thanks both of them. Then let's start our video and see on our content.
Content. Abstract. Introduction. Main content. More equipment. Outcomes. Abstract. Pneumatic systems used in industry are commonly powered by compressed air. Introduction. Pneumatic product used in a dental industry includes selector and directional valve for dental equipment. Basically, pneumatic system is a system that uses compressed air to transmit energy. Main content. Many of Pneumadyne's standard directional valve and pneumatic fitting are used throughout air and water delivery system and air abrasion units. First, a variety of two-way and three-way on-off toggle and routing valve are available to accommodate the plumbing requirement of your system. Second, our miniature fitting features serval thread and barb size to easily connect pneumatic components throughout a delivery system. Third, originally developed for use in a dental equipment, 6-position selector valves are ideal for actuating up to 6 individual circuits from a common input port. There are some pneumatic components used by dentists are featured below. First, detent dowel control valve. Basically, this is three-way valve with a push-in a port speed valve and tubing installation in your application. Second, 6-position selector valve. It is a valve allowed to actuate off up to 6 individual circuits from a common input port. Two styles of valve standard and shut on are available to accommodate application requirements. Third, barbed input port. They also known as check valves. It is used for pneumatic circuit which require free flow in one direction and no flow in a opposite direction. Fourth, 1/8 tube ID barb straight connectors. It is a connector which consists sharp single barb designed for tightening tubing grip and sit than standard multiple barb, and this is used with polythene tubing. More equipment. A dental drill or handpiece is a handheld mechanical instrument used to perform a variety of common dental procedures, including removing decay, polishing fillings, performing cosmetic dentistry, and alternating procedures. The handpiece itself consists of an internal mechanical component which ignite a rotational force and provide power to the cutting instrument, usually a dental burr. There are two components of dental drill is first a high speed dental handpiece and second head of the dental drill. Outcomes. We have studied how the pneumatic system related equipment N types are used by dentists.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.